this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a stair using InstaCrete's stair tool. I'm using this structural template file. In this file, I have 8 levels. 8 levels are spaced at 3 meters, 3 meters height. I have the 4 horizontal grid lines, 4 horizontal and 4 vertical grid lines. They are separated by 4 meters. I have constructed this structural floor on level 1, and I have copied this floor till the last level, that is level 6. So open the tool, U-shape stair. In InstaCrete, you can construct a cast in situ concrete stair. So all these stairs are cast in situ concrete stairs. The first 4 boxes will determine the position of the stair. The first grid line is horizontal grid line, that is east-west grid line. Let it be B, and offset is say 250 millimeters. The vertical grid line, north-south grid line is 3. Let the offset be 0. Select bottom level 1. My stair starts from level 1 to level 2. It starts from level 1 and ends at level 2. I have got 6 risers in flight 1, 2 and 3. The number of risers 6 each per flight. Tread length is say 300 millimeters. Stair width 1 meter. West slab thickness, so that is the inclined slab thickness, that is say 265 millimeters. The landing slab thickness is say 250 millimeters. Let the stair name be stair 1. My stair will be a right run stair. The first flight of the stair will be from west to east side, so I have selected this option. There are 2 turns available, left turn and the right turn. I have selected this left turn. My stair starts with a riser and ends with a riser. So with this data, I am going to construct the stair. Select the bottom slab and the top slab. You have to save this family. Say my name is stair 1. So without drawing a single line in the graphics window, we are able to construct the stair with the data input we have provided in the dialog box. Select the stair and drag it. You can see there are 2 openings created in the floor, and those openings are filled with the stair extension. So this happens so that we can get a smooth connection between the west slab and the floor. See, you can see we have got a very smooth connection between this west slab and this floor. I will open a plan view. Open this section. You can see the west slab and this is the floor. So we have got a very smooth connection here. The west slab thickness is 265 millimeters. Let us check it. It's 265, and landing thickness is 250. The trade is 300 millimeters. You need not worry about the riser. The software takes care of the riser. It calculates the height automatically. The stair width is 3 meters, or in fact 1 meter. The offset distance is, it is 250 millimeters from grid B. So this is the way we have constructed a U-shaped stair. Now last time we have constructed the stair in west east direction. Now I am going to construct the same stair, U-shaped stair, in the exactly opposite direction, that is east-west direction. So check the grid lines. So my stair will be having, it will be near B grid line, B and 2. So open the 3D view, open the tool. So my grid line is B, and this time let the offset be 0. My stair starts from level 1, ends at level 2. Now this time I will construct the stair which starts with a tread and ends with a riser. Last time we have constructed the stair with risers. So here I will have 5 risers, 6 risers for the second flight and 6 risers for the third flight. Let this length be 300, stair width let it be 1 meter, west slab thickness let it be 250. So both the slab will have same thickness. Stair name, let it be stair 2, and this time I will prefer the left run and right turn. Select this direction. As my first flight is from east to west, I have to select this arrow. Select the trade for this option, that is stair starts with a trade and stair ends with a riser. Click OK. Select the bottom slab and the top slab. Save the family. So this is the way we have constructed this stair. You can see the stair has begun with a trade and it has ended with a riser. See here. So this is the way stair can be constructed in east-west direction. Now I am going to construct a third stair in the same file. Again it will be a U-shaped stair, but I am going to construct it at this place. So you can see I have added one floor. The thickness of the floor is 225 millimeters and it is on level 2. You can see here. This is the floor I have added, and my direction of the stair will be from north to south, and this stair will be from this edge, or this is the grid line, that is 2. So it will be touching the grid line 2 and extending towards from north to south direction. Right. Let us see how we can do it. Let us check the grid lines. It's 2 and A. Right. Open the dialog box. So horizontal grid line is A, offset distance is 0, north-south grid line is 2, offset is 0, and suppose my stair starts at level 1 and ends at level 2, and it's having 5 risers in the first flight, 6 risers in the second flight, and 5 risers in the third flight. So it will start with a trade and end with a trade. The trade length is same 300 mm. Width is 1 meter. West slab thickness, let it be say 275, and say 265 is the landing thickness. The stair run will be left run and right turn. I have to select this option, and the direction is the southward, north to south. Let the stair name be stair 3. Hit OK button. Now here in this drawing you can see I don't have a slab. I don't have a slab at this first level. So in such situation you can press the escape key. So press escape key and now select the top floor. So in this way stair has been constructed. You can see as we do not have a floor at the level 1 position, so this is the way the stair has been constructed. It has started with a tread and ended with a tread with a smooth joint. You can see the smooth joint here between the floor and the west slab. See here, the west slab thickness is 275. So we have seen 3 types of stairs, or in fact one type of stair, U-shaped stair, constructed in 3 different directions with different settings. Thank you very much.